9 ways to earn sweet coins faster and earn them faster than before. But first, like the video and subscribe to my channel. And let's start. You go to the gym and have to swipe your card to pay to keep fit. Let's flip the table and step into a dimension where you get compensated to stay fit instead. Sweatcoin aims to motivate you to walk more and stay healthy. You can also exchange your Sweatcoins with your friend or family, or donate them to good causes through Sweatcoin for good. So, who wouldn't walk more if that meant they would be paid? Here are 10 ways to generate more Sweatcoins, and let's start with the first one. Walk or run outdoors with the app on. The Sweatcoin app has an inbuilt tracker that always runs in the ground of your device when you launch the app. So grab your phone and your sneakers and head outside. You will be surprised by how much fun and rewarding walking or running outdoors with the app on is. And this isn't about increasing your earnings, it's a powerful reminder to prioritize your overall health and happiness. And the second one, participate in marathons and contests. Sometimes you need the motivation to head out of your comfort zone to walk or run for the health benefits or earn more coins from Sweatcoin. One thing that can inspire you is participating in marathons, whether for a contest or charity. These events not only offer an opportunity to challenge yourself physically, but also provide a chance to accumulate more Sweatcoins. And if you are a routine runner or athlete, think about it. You are already investing time and effort into training and participating in these activities, so why not reap additional benefits? And number 3, invite your friends to join Sweatcoin. Inviting your pals to download and use the Sweatcoin app using your referral link is a great option to increase your Sweatcoin swiftly. You earn 5 Sweatcoin for each friend you successfully refer, plus you also get 5% of their earning for life. That means every time they walk or run and earn Sweatcoins, you get a cut too. How cool is that? Posting up on your socials is an avenue to get more people to join you on Sweatcoin, and for your marketing help, you get rewarded. So, how do you invite your friends to get on the Sweatcoin train? It's super easy. Launch the app and tap the invite a friend, get 5 Sweatcoins button. On the home screen, you will be shown a list of options to share your referral link with your contacts like WhatsApp, email, SMS, or etc. Or could copy a referral link to paste to your friends. The more friends you invite, the more Sweatcoins you earn. And let's start with the fourth one, upgrade your membership plan. Why settle for the free version? It's daily cap of 10,000 steps and limited sweet cap. When you can unlock the premium subscription, by upgrading, you will earn double the Sweatcoins for the same number of steps and enjoy the potential of earning up to 100 Sweatcoins a day as a premium member. You will also gain access to exclusive gift cards and irresistible offers in the marketplace. The premium subscription costs $5 monthly or $25 annually, and you can earn double Sweatcoins for every 1,000 steps you take above your daily free minimum limit and convert your steps into crypto. And for number 5, complete daily bonus offers and challenges. That the Sweatcoin app comes with special daily tasks that usually involve watching ads, spinning a wheel for rewards, or performing a time task. However, don't accept to get a juicy amount of Sweatcoins from these offers. Completing these tasks is not only rewarding but also fun and easy. You don't need special equipment or skills. just your smartphone and some motivation. You can perform these tasks anytime once you have an internet connection. If you are on a premium subscription, you can access more daily rewards and other benefits like ad-free browsing and early access to new features. So a daily bonus offer or challenge awaits you whether you want to get fit, learn something new, or just have fun. And the next one, number 6, follow Sweetcoin on social media and participate in giveaways. Sweetcoin regularly posts on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. They share tips and tricks, stories, and motivational content to help you stay active and healthy. They also host giveaways where you can win extra sweet coins or other prizes. All you have to do is to follow them on your favorite platform and look out for their giveaway posts. To enter a giveaway, you usually have to like the post, comment something related to the topic, tag your friends, and share the post. Sometimes you also have to answer a question or complete a challenge. You can boost your odds of getting a reward interacting more with posts. The giveaways are fun and easy to join. You can also discover new people who share your passion for fitness and wellness. Plus, you can earn more sweet coins without breaking sweet. How cool is that? So let's move to the next one. Number 7. Switch off the power saving mode on your phone. In this case, saving steps is more important than saving battery power. When your device is on power saving mode, it restrains background processes and reduces overall power consumption. However, this can interfere with accurately tracking your steps and movement on the application. By turning off power saving mode on iPhone, your device or Android, your device can accurately capture your activity and ensure that all your steps count and that your suite gets your coinage. Number 8. Avoid walking close to tall buildings. Okay, Superman maybe give the wall a rest when trying to earn sweet coins. Walking near to the tall buildings can hinder your ability to earn sweet coins due to the potential interference with GPS signal reception. GPS relies on satellite signals to track your movement and count your steps accurately. As a result, you may earn fewer sweet coins than you would in open areas with strong GPS signals. And number 10, use high-end devices. Firstly, high-end smartphones often have superior processing power and performance. This will allow the Sweetcoin app to run much more smoothly, and as a result, your steps would be accurately tracked and recorded without glitches or delays. You don't want to lose coins because your device didn't count your steps probably right. Furthermore, they also have more storage space, meaning you can store more data and history on the application. These combined benefits have the potential to increase your sweet coins earnings on the application and get more sweet coins with your sweet. The idea behind the Sweetcoin app is a great one, trying to keep you shape while doing our practical reward points can keep the motivation up to cater to your health even more. So embrace the beauty of nature, let the sunshine warm you, and enjoy the outdoors. Let each step propel you towards a healthier, more fulfilled life and some sweet coins, of course. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video and start practicing, and let me know your feedback in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to receive even new, and see you later. Bye.